A warm welcome to all. This is Aishwarya from AI and DS from Johnson Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about public key cryptography. It is used two keys for encryption and for decryption. A public key which may be known by anybody and can be used to encrypt messages. It also known only to the recipient used to decrypt messages. It has six ingredients. They are plain text, encryption algorithm, public and private keys, clipper text, decryption algorithm. This is about the public key cryptography. This is the flowchart of public key cryptography. Here we can see plain text input as well as encryption algorithm, decryption algorithm and plain text output. There are some characteristics for public key. They are it is computationally infeasible to find decryption key knowing only algorithm and encryption key. Either of the two related keys can be used for encryption with the other used for decryption. It is computationally easy to encrypt or decrypt messages when the relevant key is known. There are some requirements of public key cryptography. We can see now. It is easy for party B to generate a pair of keys, and it is easy for a sender A knowing the public key and message to be encrypted. It is easy for receiver B to decrypt the resulting clipper text using the private key. It is infeasible for any person to know the public key and a clipper text C to recover the original message M. Two keys can be applied in either order. These are the requirements of public key. Here we can see public key crypto system and authentication and secrecy. There are some authentication and security. There is some source A that produce a message in plain text x equals to x1, x2, so on xm. The m elements of x are letters in some finite alphabet. The message is intended for destination B. B generates a related pair of keys, a public key and a private key is known only to B, whereas public key is publicly available and it generates another pair of keys, a public key and a private key. Private key is known only to A, whereas public is publicly available. These are the authentication and securities. They are also known as applications. Here we can see the cryptography and network security. There are some modules. We can refer by seeing this. These are some note points. Thank you all. This is Aishwarya.